If I had to start affiliate marketing today with zero money, no website, and no audience, here's the exact strategy I would use in 2026. Affiliate marketing is simply recommending products online and earning a commission when someone buys through your link. And the best part is, you don't need to create products, ship anything, or handle customer support. Step 1. Pick a profitable niche. The easiest niches to start with are online business, software tools, health and fitness, personal finance. These niches already have buyers actively searching for solutions. Step 2. Join affiliate programs. Start with beginner-friendly affiliate networks like Impact, Awin. These platforms give you access to thousands of companies you can promote. Step 3. Create content. You don't need money to start creating content. Start with YouTube videos, TikTok videos, blog posts, shorts. Content brings the traffic. Step 4. Use affiliate links. When someone clicks your link and buys the product, you earn a commission. For example, a platform like Shopify pays commissions for referring new store owners. Step 5. Stay consistent. The biggest mistake beginners make is quitting too early. Affiliate marketing works best when you consistently create helpful content. Smash that like, hit subscribe, and ring the bell. Weekly step-by-step wins start now. Join the squad and build your affiliate system today.